It's Monday, May 25th, 2020. Hey, congratulations. Hey everybody, I wanted to start by acknowledging that last week was a really difficult week for our faculty and for Mount Royal. Mount Royal said goodbye to 20 people or so, and another 20 vacant positions were abolished. From our faculty, Karen, Lori, and Jeanette are three individuals that have made big contributions over many years. It's very difficult to say goodbye to them. The challenges that we are facing to balance the budget over the next 3 years continue, and not all the answers have been found yet. It's important that we continue to think of other possibilities and new ways of doing things so that we're able to respond to the fiscal challenges that we're facing. A week ago, I shared with you that we drew the names of the three winners of the gratitude kits. I was able to deliver those last week, and Helena, Pat, and Lisa were all very happy and I think had gratitude to receive the gratitude kits. I think it's really important for me to help my own mental well-being, to just remind myself those things that I have gratitude for. And you know, it was so great to be able to deliver those kits. And I had a conversation with Lisa when I delivered her kit. Take a look.
Hey Steve, thank you so much for sending me this awesome box. I'm so grateful. I'm grateful for all my colleagues at MRU. I miss you all. Can't wait to see you guys in the fall, and take care.
One of the other things that has been really valuable for me during this COVID time, I don't know if there's a better way to say that, is the conversations that I've had, whether it's in my regular report meetings with people in our faculty, or the conversations we've had in various other meetings where I've had a chance to see people. One of those people that I meet with regularly is Vincent, our faculty financial officer. And when I spoke with him recently, we talked about what are some of the things that he does during this COVID time.
What thing am I going to be looking forward to when the physical measures, distancing measures have stopped? It's the face-to-face meetings that I have. I think I do understand more what the needs are when I'm talking to somebody face-to-face, rather than being in the records and all that. I think that one I'm looking forward to getting into somebody's office and discussing it further.
Well, it was really nice weather this past Sunday for certain. I think Saturday was pretty good too, but Sunday's weather was just gorgeous. And my family, we were able to get out in the backyard and enjoy the sunshine. I hope that the weather holds. I think on the forecast, it looks like it's going to be nice for a couple of days. I hope you're able to take advantage of that, get some afternoon sunshine. For those staff members, please know that Liz and I look forward to hosting another virtual coffee chat. That'll be on Tuesday, June the 2nd. You should have an invitation in your inbox for that. And for everybody, I wish you the best this week. Thanks, everyone.